what's wrong and why you never.
Hey you guys, tonight I am at the Gato night market, and it's kind of like the Thai market, food market that I showed you guys months ago or maybe a year ago. However, this is for Mexican food mainly, and there are some vendors selling other like merch and stuff as well. So I'm going to take you guys around and see what they have to offer, okay? So let's go. Đây có tốt ha. Một giờ. Because usually people like you more than everybody more barcode you go scan. But I have something that they offer, so we get take it lah. You know, it's your QR code. Nó lo chỗ lo cho luôn này Thái market, yeah. But it's nice how they can leave this here all the time.
Bluetooth disconnected. Bluetooth pairing.
Oh, it's okay, thank you. Tulip, lớn tá lâu tulip rồi. Yeah, this is way bigger than Lunia Thai. Getting something to drink first. Got my drink. First item of the night. Treat by my sister.
Right there. Yeah, it is. But I got the Honey Nut Cheerio choo-choo train.
Win the day with the Kelsey's favorite cereal.
guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.